Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're so much welcome and kindly subscribe. Please don't leave without subscribing. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. And for the returning viewers who have not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, comment and share. And so today, as you can see, I'm with my sister. Yeah, this is my sister. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so I'm with my sister. We're going to do makeup. We'll see who will finish first. Yeah, so let's get into the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
We're done with the eyebrows. What do you think? Tell us in the comment section.